Our next oil that we've absolutely fallen in love with, and all of my children use this one all the time, it's called Melrose, M-E-L-R-O-S-E, Melrose. This is a blend of 2 types of eucalyptus, rosemary, and clove. I know many of you cook with rosemary, and when you smell rosemary when you're cooking with it, you just automatically know how good the smell is for you. Clove, just do your own study. I want to encourage you to go to a website and do some study on clove to understand the antioxidant properties of clove oil. And then once again, the eucalyptus oil. This is a great skin oil, awesome skin oil. When you have some kind of skin irritation, this is an oil that is very powerful to protect your body from fungus, mold, and yeast. When the children were little and they'd say, Mommy, you know, my ear hurts a little bit, it just kind of hurts. We just take a cotton ball, we put a couple drops of the Melrose in the cotton ball, and we just rub it around that ear, never pouring oil into the ear. Don't ever do that. And that is so comforting and nurturing to that part of the body.